Hope everybody's doing all right this evening. It's Florida Man Airgun channel. Gonna run some quick FX cronies. I got some 452 grain big boys from Lucky 7 airgun ammo. This is the biggest slug I've put through this gun. I'm just gonna run some quick numbers. Let's see what they do. Not shooting for accuracy today though. We're just shooting out into the woods to catch the chronograph numbers. Here's shot number one of the 452 grains. $725, 52. Okay, 752. All right. Didn't hear it read out. Shot number two here. $714. Yeah, still managed to hit the steel too, just playing around. Alright, shot number three. We're gonna do 3-shot increments. And I forgot to put in, we're gonna go air the gun up and we're gonna try the smaller 246 grain max velocity. All right, here's shot number three. (682 feet per second). All right, we're gonna go air the gun up. We'll be right back with the lighter slugs.